Yesterday I did this Flame King stove. Does not come with the propane tube, so I need to find one or use the one that I got for the other stove. The other stove I got was one that was going to sit on top of this, and then after just having it sit in a vehicle and moving around, it winds up just dinging the countertop. So I decided against it and just bought a cheap Flame King off eBay for, I don't know, I think it was like around $60. And yep, that's basically it for right now. Alright, so just got done with the doors, not completed. The latches aren't there, and then I don't have the toilet drawer done yet, but I'm gonna skip doing all that and just go straight to doing the sink on this side. So, time lapse. Okay, so there you go, sink done. Cleaned up too. Freaking beautiful. Look at that. What I'm gonna do is put some RTV around the edges here, underneath, and then just lower it in. Or maybe I'll just do it as is and just get that gap out of there. Other than that, it's pretty good sitting there like that. And down underneath, it's hard to see, but I gotta do some kind of drain. I want to do a drain out to the side, but I'll do that later. All right, to continue the project here, I've completed the slides for the drawers underneath the bed. I've built the drawers, and this is how they turned out. You got slides on the side. As compared to the other drawer here, I was able to sink the screws in from behind by placing a board on the bottom and then the sides. And same story for the rest. And before I install them, this is how I set it up. I got those tabs on the inside. Instead of doing a solid board across, I just chose to do a single board, and then I did shims as well as put other boards to get it away from the wall there, because I couldn't use the metal to mount it to, because the boards on the inside were so cattywampus, it just didn't make sense. So yeah, I'm going to install the drawers now. and then they'll be carpeted on the inside, so I don't even care if there's any slop like this from the urethane and whatnot. But yeah, here we go. Time to install. Let's see. Also, I got these pretty sweet knob latches off of eBay. I gotta go get a garbage or plastic bag. Alright, so I got these pretty sweet knobs off eBay, so I'll be installing those as well. I'll show you how this one works. I did this one yesterday, didn't video it or anything, but it's a little bit tight, so I gotta hit it like that. But here you go. It's just got a little metal flange here, and then this is as flush as I could get it without obstructing the flange. So yeah, it's just a 1-inch hole. Punch that in, and then this is just a little sheath that kind of covers the wood where you cut it. And at some point I will replace this drawer because it's got those nails, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. It'll be one of the fine-tuning things to lock this. And just push it in, push it out, and pull on it to get it out. I may even countersink this more because these are supposed to be flush and it's got a little bit of a lip here, but it's not bad. And then I'll probably, actually not, I'm not gonna glue that in there. That'd be a pain in the butt to try to redo. So there you go, to the install portion of these drawers. What happens when you use old junk tools? Like, look at this, I can't even get this thing tight. It's so slippery, but got that drill with a huge battery, not the same one with it's on it, but battery alone is like $220. Got the big battery, not this battery, the other battery, with the drill for $60 at pawn shop. I don't care if it's stolen or not. Next, bind right there. Whatever, I don't care. Perfect. All right, there you go. Some of these will require just a little tap though, so you punch it, tap it, comes undone. Only problem with that would be while driving, if it's somebody accidentally hit it or somebody's tried to open it, didn't open, and then you're driving down the road and all of a sudden pops open. But these are so stiff anyways, I don't think they'll come out as it is. So that's just kind of an extra precaution. Beautiful. Worked great. I love that. Okay.